Good morning, students. How are you? Today I will start quadrilaterals. In the last chapter or in the last part, I have discussed about triangles. Today I will start with quadrilaterals. Okay. So, what are quadrilaterals? A quadrilateral is a closed figure made by four line segments. Okay, for triangle is a closed shape of three line segments, but quadrilateral means it is a closed figure made by four line segments. See here, this is a quadrilateral. The word quad means quad, quad means actually four. Okay, so quadrilateral means which has four line segments and the shape is a closed shape. Okay, so a quadrilateral is a closed figure made by four line segments. So this is a closed shape. This is a closed shape made by four line segments. Red pen one. This is second line segment. This is third line segment. This is fourth line segment. Okay, and also see this is also a closed shape. Closed means bounded. Closed means bounded. जिसका area bounded है. ठीक है. So this kind of shape is called quadrilateral. Okay, students. Okay, now come. So here see, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here ABCD is quadrilateral. Clear? So see, what did I say? It is made of four line segments. Okay. So similarly for triangle, line segments are called sides. So actually quadrilateral has four sides. Quadrilateral has four sides. So what are those? AB, BC, BC. Next CD and DA. Okay, you can also say AB, BC, CD, AD, whatever. I mean, when you are writing the line segments, the points or the vertices, you can interchange, no problem. Okay, that is AB, BA same, BC or CB same, CD, DC same, DA, AD same. Okay, so here I have shown this. You can do it in another way, no problem. Okay, so here you have four sides. Okay, quadrilateral has four sides, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. Okay, here I have given the name A, B, C, D. That's why I have written. If you use P, Q, R, S, then the sides must be P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T. Okay, okay, and it has four vertices. Four vertices also. Four vertices A, B, C, and D. It has four angles also. It has four angles. A, B, C. This one angle A, B, C. This one B, C, D. B, C, D. This one C, D, A. This one C, D, A. And this one B, A, D. B, A, D. Sorry, D. B, A, D. Clear? So see, quadrilateral has four sides, four vertices, four angles, and two diagonals. Two diagonals. Now, what are diagonals? See, listen the definition carefully. What are diagonals? Diagonal means the line segments joining the opposite vertices. Opposite vertices, not the successive vertices. Okay, so the line segment joining this is segment, SEGMENT, the line segment joining the opposite vertices are called diagonals. Clear, everybody? So the line segment joining the opposite vertices, not the successive vertices. If I join the successive vertices, then I get side BC. If you join BC, then you will get BC side. So don't join the adjacent or successive vertices, not the adjacent vertices, okay, the opposite vertices, the line segment joining the opposite vertices. So first consider B vertex. So what is the opposite vertex of B? B, it must be D, opposite side में है D. So the line joining B and D is called a diagonal. Okay, suppose this is first diagonal. And what is the another vertex? Suppose consider A is the another vertex. So what is the opposite vertex of A? It must be C. It must be C. Okay. So AC, the line joining A and C is called diagonal. So this is second diagonal. Okay. So here you see, we have two diagonals. We have two diagonals. Okay. BC. So here diagonals. What are the diagonals? One is BD, another is AC. So for quadrilateral, it has four sides, four vertices, four angles, and two diagonals. BD and AC. Diagonal means the line segment joining the opposite vertices. Opposite vertices, not the adjacent vertices. Okay. Okay. So I think now you have some idea about the quadrilateral. Now come to the types. Okay, here we will only discuss about two types of quadrilaterals. Only two types of quadrilaterals. First is rectangle. Rectangle. See what is rectangle. First I am drawing the figure. So see rectangle. Rectangle. See this symbol represent. Actually we can use. We can represent the angle like this. This curve. Okay, but when in the angle, when you are showing the angle like this way, it means 90-degree angle or right angle. Clear, everybody? Can you remember it? This is the representation of angle. Obviously, no problem with that. This is the correct symbol of angle. But when you use this symbol, this symbol represent 90-degree angle. This is a particular symbol of 90-degree angle or right angle. This is the symbol. This also can use for the 90-degree angle, no problem. This is a general or common general sign, but this is a particular sign which is used for right angle, जो 90 डिग्री के समय यूज होता है और कुछ नहीं. और ये तुम किसी भी समय यूज कर सकते हो, 90 डिग्री हो, 0 हो, 100 हो, कुछ भी हो. Clear, everybody? So this is a particular symbol which is used to represent 90-degree angle. Okay. So here see I am representing this. Okay. Okay. And red color pen. I'm sorry, don't worry, I'm writing the characteristics. I will write the characteristics. See, the naming is more important. Okay, A, B, C, D. Name is very important. Marking, leveling. It is called the leveling. Leveling is very important. Acha. So see, acha, this means 90 degree. So I am writing here also, no problem with that. 90 degree. Okay. So what is rectangle? Obviously rectangle is a quadrilateral. It has four sides. Okay. Acha. So it's a type of quadrilateral. Okay. So it is a special quadrilateral. Okay. So what are the characteristics? All four of its angles are right angles. That means all four angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. All four angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. Clear? Second, its opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. That means what is the opposite side of AB? it is CD or DC. So AB is equals to, here I am writing, AB is equals to CD. And what is the opposite side of BC? It is AD. So BC is equals to AD. So see, it has four sides: AB, BC, CD, AD. I am telling again: AB, BC, CD, AD. So what is the opposite side of AB? This, CD. And what is the opposite side of BC? It is AD. Acha, see, this or this single lines means these are same. Okay, and these two double lines for AD and BC means AD equals to BC. Clear? Acha, next, its diagonals are equal. Its diagonals are equal. Clear? Diagonals are equal. That means BC is equals to, sorry, BD is equals to AC. So understood what is rectangle? Rectangle, if these 3 points follow, if any quadrilateral follow these 3 points, then we can say that is a rectangle. Clear everybody? देखो, चारों साइड, 4 वर्टिसेस, 4 एंगल्स, 2 डायगोनल्स होगा तो वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल होगा, लेकिन वो रेक्टेंगल नहीं होगा. रेक्टेंगल होने के लिए ये तीनों कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फॉलो होनी चाहिए. ओके, इफ एनी क्वाड्रिलेटरल follow these 3 characteristics, then we can say that quadrilateral is a rectangle. Okay, so what are those? 4 angles are right angles. That means all 4 angles are 90 degree. Second, its opposite sides are equal. Opposite side, not all the sides. Its opposite sides are equal. For example, if this is 5 semi, this is also 5 semi. If this is 10 semi, this is also 10 semi. Clear? Example, so 5, 5, 10, 10. If it is 5, it is 4, it is 10, it is 10, then that is not rectangle. Suppose this is 10 and this is also 10, but this is 5 and this is 4. This is 4 semi. Then this is not rectangle. Or two side, opposite side must be equal. That means AB is equals to CD, BC is equals to AD. These two sides, sorry, these two points should be followed. These 2 points should be followed. If suppose AB is equals to CD, 5, 5, but BC not equals to AD, then that is not a rectangle. Then that is not a rectangle. Okay, obviously rectangle must follow these two rules together. Okay, okay, clear? And 2 diagonals are also equal. 2 diagonals are also equal. BD is equals to AC. Next is square. Next is square. So first I am drawing a square. Okay. Square. Okay. Acha, again. And this. Okay. Okay. And name. Leveling A, B, C, D. 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree. Acha. So come square. Square is also a quadrilateral. Square is also a quadrilateral. Special type of quadrilateral. Okay. Okay. Acha. So see, what are the characteristics of it, of square? All 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides are equal. For here, opposite sides are equal, but not the all sides. But for this, all 4 sides are equal. So see the symbol. 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides are equal. Okay. So for example, if this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Suppose any of these 4, suppose any one of the side of these 4 is not same, then we can't say that quadrilateral is a square. That is a quadrilateral, but that will not be a square. For square, all four sides must be equal. Like that means AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. Equal, all four sides equal. Any one of the four sides are not equal, then that will be a quadrilateral, but that not will be a square. For square, all four sides must be equal. Okay, next is all four angles are right angle. All four angles are right angles, same like rectangle. All four angles are right angles. Similarly for this is also four right angles are right angle. That means all four angles are 90 degree. All four angles are 90 degree. Okay, and this point, last point, is also another same. All diagonals are equal. All diagonals are equal. That means BD is equals to AC. BD is equals to AC. See, for this also BD is equals to AC. So see, these 2 points are common. These 2 points are common. Sorry, not this. This point and this point and this point, this point. See, these points are common. All four angles are right angles. All four angles are right angles. Its diagonals are equal. All diagonals are equal. But what is the difference between rectangle and square? Its opposite sides are equal. Opposites are equal, but not the whole, not the all. But for square, all sides are equal. Clear? Clear? So square and rectangle both are quadrilateral. Okay, but these are actually special type of quadrilaterals. Clear? Understood? So I hope you have understood the all topics. And now your home task, exercise 16D. Okay students, so thank you and have a nice day.